Yeah, welcome to that exciting podcast. Yebo. Igama uDaimana uNewman Trinity, ubaba kaSunshine, ubaba kaNozi. Calling myself umfana weGP as well as City. Asuke la, siyasutha la. Yebo, Huzu. Nomfana weGP bakwazi abaningi. uLights Out uyangazi, uLiro uyangazi and ngithume ngeGP. Umhlaba wonke uyakwazi ukuthi uDaimana weGP. Lamhla ngiliphathele ingongo sorry. Njenge ngongo le GP. The guy esamsusa GP samami Silenda. Ufana na exact Ncembe. Hayi lizakhuluma la lizazikhulumela. But mina ngingatsho njalo. Umeze kambiza ku podcast le ukuthi ufanana ngqo le ngongongo. Exactly le ngongongo. Engazweni uthini ngakho?
Hayi yikho awuqabe manje.
Yeah. I win for this one. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Lokshin podcast, the exciting one. Today I'm with Tina Sisaruti asikhethi. Siyathatha uPremier ku D1, ku D2, ku D3. Lamhla siliphathele soccer player ama chance. As you know me. Ngiyafukula lights. Uyangazi. Lamhla ngicela ukuthi utshele umhlaba wonke ibizo lakho. Uzitsho member yami.
Mina ibizo lami ngubongani Zondo. 20 years ngidlalile iTish Donors FC. Yase Country Park ku Division 2.
Okay.
Center back.
We
even central defensive midfield.
Okay.
Ngiyadlala developing player sakhula. Yabona. So
how old? 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
So isifiso ukudevelopa siyanga
Siyaphambi.
phezulu siyaphambili.
Ephemba nje.
Hayi ampela.
Enatshwala.
Uyakwazi.
Hayi yabuza nje ayazibuzela lezazi. Hayi kahle.
Uyakwazi.
Utambutsha ke.
Hayi kena.
Bathe ama player amaningi bathani i-energy be.
Yazi kunjani? Thina umcabanga ukuthi uchiyene.
Nje njalo.
Mina sengabe ngisenza okunye umuntu esenzani?
Okunye.
Chiyene abantu iproblem.
Samlavi ke. Ngijubile.
Njuma. Thole kahle ba.
Like I want to know you like as well as i-audience yami yabathanda ukuthi amancane lama players. Bayifuba bakwazi i-background yakho ukuthi since uli player uqalise nini like uhle wavuka suku second
No. Hayi mina ngihlala eNtumbane.
Right.
Sisahlala esikwakweni lapha. Sahlala eNtumbane lapha esikwakweni ku team eNtumbane Stars. Academy.
Eka
Fortune
Ufoza. Ocoach Mfoza.
Yeah, coach Mfoza.
Serious?
Siyakudala it was 2016.
Angikotshela impicture ngoFokoza. I know Grace usesemafutheni umdala assistant coach we Chicken Wings, right? Yeah, tell me more about Fokoza.
Yeah, Fokoza into sharp. Coach sharp.
Hayi
into engakutshela yona. No, mana ngikutshele kahle ngokuthi umntwana yabona. Coach Fokoza coach sharp. Yabona for mina kimi when ubuya kuFokoza wamfundisa into eziningi. Discipline. Into yokuqala. Discipline. Very into yokuphuza training, into zokudakwa lani. Fokoza into engasifundile.
So udakwa vele wadla channel yakho from coach Wally Amenez.
Vele mina unathanda njani? Ndethiwa ngizenzanga vele. Like yabona nxa uhlala enkomponi. Uyakukhangela sometimes yakubona ibehavior yenzwa ngabantu enganatha. Mostly vina ama soccer players.
Yeah.
Akudala ababedlala ibhola kudala. Hamba phandle lapho ufike ukukhangela. Uzabona into engikhuluma ngayo. Mostly very sebephila impilo leyani ukuthi sesinatha kulanye into esingayenza sesiphile etshwaleni. Yabona
and invest entweni eziningi.
Nxa sokubuya mostly kithi sakhula ufunda inkompi yami akulanto efunda. But kuwe la nxa ngomuntu lena ilife lesson. Yakubona ukuthi alright. Liyana indlela ayikhethayo but maybe like ngendlela ayikhethayo akula umuntu wamfundisayo ukuthi njani. Hayi. Lapha usali play usakhula omele unjani uyenze so ama steps angikhona akula umuntu wamfundisayo. but lanxa umuntu lenqa
Intshona ngikhuluma ngayo la izazi ukuthi mina from what my experience so ukuthi maybe but u-director wami uyasalami insurance city wayengaso director just director ukuthi ngofundisa i-art is a life coach like ukuthi mafana asithengiswe impahla asenziso I think a life that's a valid point ngiyabona ukuthi people need some people like that. I think abo coach vele they are playing a very big role empilweni zabantu.
Yeah iqiniso
Yeah.
Because very mostly coach ngeke kubuya ku coach kuphela ibhola.
Yeah.
Sometimes uyabona uthi hayi lapha kule problem enje iyakulanda utshela hayi mafana for you ukuthi udlalisa kachana eliyenze so empilweni yakho i-discipline asikuthiwa ngafika eground ihloniphe coach so i-discipline sokuphela sense endlini.
Yeah.
Into yenze endlini iyakhanyisela nga eground
Uthi awungachawa umfazi nje ngesipendisi.
Iyakhanyisela eground.
Yeah.
Singakwanisa ukuthi eground ube sharp discipline but phandle kwe-pitch uyakwanisa ukubona abanye abantu simbone sebhawu esenza so simbone esenza so engaphi ngapi konkyane ngakumaster abekwazi ukuthi ngenza so nxa ngekho eground vele usiyafika eground into yangikhona uyabona ihambela ngolani konke kwamnandi yebo into yangikhona yabona kunjalo
idiscipline yakhona. Taking us back to your career as a footballer uqalisa njani uyi-youngster since you were saying ukuthi from kufokoza how did you grow up then as a currently uyakwazi 20 years and you are still young so wadlala ama-team amangaki maybe
few i-team engiqase kuyo vele intumbane stars academy ngikhula then ngatshintsha indawo ngazohlala emakhupho I had to go ngadlalela ku coach Clement i-Restars.
That was when
so 2021 2022
2022
Yeah.
ngizama ucabanga i-generation labo odlala
labo beke Karen
labo Karen labo junior
junior by that time
ujunior obuya kancane i-Restars I think odlala labo Brandon
no
uBrandon waseva
sebesukile
yeah
ngandlala ko Karen
yeah Karen
mostly
umjakajaka umviru yeah
same group but most labanye basebenjani basebesukile.
Okay, so just to ask what was your experience from coming from another from Ufokoza from Intumbane reception that ukuthi so Ufokoza since babe appreciate amadlela kwencimbi babe kwathi ancombe by the way umnakari undori but really
experience yami ukusuka kwenye indawo kuya kwenye indawo kunzima kunzima
yabe newcomer
because laphana nxa usuzama ukusekla eground angeke ubuye ube liphila lokuthi mbiya ngizotraina sengihamba you have to make ama friends ukuze bekujayele mina ngeke
la off pitch kuyaspana
mina ngeke mbiye eground nithi ngizotraina sengihamba yabona mele ngibuye njalo lana lama player ukuthi emergency because wena mina once ngibuye eground ngibuya kwenye indawo vele kuzaba lokuyi-tension lokhuyana ukuthi is new maybe yakwanisa ukubuya outsmart whatsoever but wena even la uliplay competition
yekuyisuka so isikashana like yakubabona ama player indlela abagqoka ngayo. I think do you also feel it like as a player ukuthi awuze lami ngifit into the system I should wear this because uyazi kula talking ama pushing la amathango I think ilonke player ncane ngela thango
singqokile lona obvious but mina for mina yabona ukugqoka whatsoever uyangazi mina ngiyasigqokela wona ukuthi player amanye agqoka njani kimi ekhanda vele akazwa ngoba into
yani ama player mele bone ngawe
angimela ngoba into lana ukuthi ngithatha ngifake ekhanda uthi somele ngigqoke njenge player mina kade sengakwanisa ukugqoka kwami uthumbo nalaphana ungavuma ukuthi ngihlala ibhola ngeke kuvuma most of the time
ngiyakubona
into mfuyo ibuza nje intwana lethe right wena ngazi ukuthi uhasla njani side hustle ukuthi awuzitshona wena ntshona ukubona smart clean but sithi intwana leyani ulayithi ngibo vele akula even one dazula vele bakhawula
even akona football player
don't you think ukuthi ezinye izinto ezithine zimotivate ama players avela kuphuka background ekhasi ukuthi sathi soccer player kale thango change patapata sibili
yabona i situation ali ngeke ngadlula yini
serious
kakhulu yabona into lani injani la etsana mina I remember fana the peer pressure pressure lana ibhlungu nxa ubona omnye umntwana esiye training elama shooters whatsoever vele into yangikhona la nxa ngene ground usho lapha akulanto enzayenza la yabona
i-confidence vele nxa ungela phuthu la
i-confidence yakhe yaphi akulanto ezayenza yabona so ngokuya kwesikhathi yikubona most of ama players abakusakhulayo njengathi so most bachibhora uzwe sebekhuluma enkomponti ngifana lo wayegood ngebhora wayekela
so when ubona like for you I've seen so many what's your take on those kind of guys ukuthi ngikwazi aje remember uyabulala ulight uyabulala ngedisk and then at the end of the day sengibona seliphara sebhe umuntu oriro sebhemba nje bese ngwenjengo what's your take on those kind of guys si shota ngani thina eZimbabwe ukuthi we can encourage angazi maybe ngathi eZimbabwe Africa
it's true so yabona eZimbabwe kithi so that helping hand kuphela support maybe from other countries ukuthi maybe bebe besincedisa
but not from other countries don't say that like from my opinion
community
from my opinion I'm like I would say Oshivayo and Scotty they are playing a big role like I would say my personal opinion pick up to those guys like like for real like they are playing that big role Zimbabwean football ukuthi sibe kwazi kule play likhola $5,000 or $10,000 if lama player nje abo Peter laba even labo thwa ngaba ubungozo like for real babe ngaholi imali ngawo you go discover ukuthi uthombe Mercedes Rambo usebenza national foods but after that sesiya ku training those are the kind but now I system sijintshile I would say that ukuthi
ubhora songumsebenzi
nje ngibona kare sikwane ukuthi uyathengelwa indlu inxa ibhora uyathengelwa imota lendlu inxa ibhora process improve like for real so angazi what's lacking mina yazi ukuthi ngiworried ngani ngilama players lawana sebesikwazi agood phela khona kade ukhuluma
ama developing
and then sekusuka lokuli bridge nje ukuthi okay umjito wami yakwazi to blind and then all of a sudden wasichiya kule pride kumbe into zabantu
no ayena kuso pride la oyela kade ngitshela khona ukuthi wona abasakhulayo abanye abachiyayo nje indlela zokuthi baswela mina ngengqondo zami sometimes engibona ngakani sometimes yakwazi ukuthi ama team bakwanisa ukuthi benze like donation yabona kuhlanganiswe khona okukhona angithi ukuthi somele bethwale nzima khona okukhona yabona behambe be check maybe kuma communities yabona endaweni zona vele indawo ezilabantu bebhora kuma communities most
just
most talent
ngomkhulumele just in 3 for the sake of viewers it was just in ngathi 3 places
Makoko number 1 Makoko Msilikazi yabona Mtumbani ungakhangela indawo zona ezivele mostly uyathungena bethi lo wayebulala so wachi then ipoint yakho usuzibuza ukuthi how sebekutshela ukuthi hayi background kwabanje but
background but asingothi kwabanje like for amajidabo yaqedwa ngumuntu oyaqedwa injengo like it's a very sensitive issue like to say ukuthi abukwazi ulayithi vele umjito wedisk and was engage to ama look I think we must address this issue in a proper way
bagcina se engage to ama drugs
because ama drugs you always agcina se pressure ama players because karesona nge uli player mbona ncanca unatha syrup ingoma ngathi ingoma normal life uyabo ingoma zimbezi $5 imi just say but ngasule imali eningi yabo fina la ukufili level lana ukuthi lami ngile football player ngisebenza eIslanda
sentenga ibox lonke
sentenga ibox isane ngethenga ibox lonke kumbe ngizadinga ezile higher grade lokho ukuthi ngithi I think that's what
belani labafana abancane
kwenze class yami la injani
phezulu
so I think ngenye into esenza ukuthi singama players umbe singama vele njengama artists lama players vele into iwane sibulalayo
alapha uqambe mama uyakhuluma iqiniso fair vele le
amkhethe ukuthi awupay monathi
hayi ibhudas liyancedisa
Serious.
Yeah,
Ure kanathi.
Serious ure kanathi.
Akape muntu ndo.
Ure ngiyamtestifyela mina
ure kanathi kapeni.
Mina ngumuntu lo anoyipeer pressure lokufana ukuthi anza zama nje ukuthi athi la chai tupuzi. Athi kuRay mina mbemaze ever since ngingumntwana.
Serious nje.
uRay wayefika ehlala eceleni isikhathi sifundela imbanje wathi unathi wothi. But ehamba la athe njalo.
But yena try.
uRay sasamba amaphathi ndoda iphunge kumlola 21st sayamba eLuvivi. Enathi drink. Lathi khona pho sikubo 2022-23 phungwe yonke. Ayinathi sinathi lithu.
Umngane ngifuna kwazi so as you were saying, like taking us to your top musicians, to your football career, like since you Clement, ukuthi ngiyathanda ukubuza kakhulu so mfuthi abantu bebekwazi ngawe more and more yeah.
Then andibe ngitshedi ngabe sentrena ku Clement yeah for a short period ngasuka for as a player lami yabe mfukuza manje
my opportunity
exactly ngabe ngisuka bensiya kumzilikazi
ususwa yini lapha no Clement
yeah as a player yakwazi
game time
not game time
reception kade ngikhuluma ngayo maybe from other players
no konke kwakushap
okay
everything kwakushap wabe mphethe grand ngaze ngaba labangani
but just to say I'm not saying sharp, let me just try another luck.
Yeah into yabakhona
okay.
Ngathi mana ngizameni inhlanhla maybe sengafika ngiye somewhere ngathi ngifika somewhere kube ngcono futhi ngizama ukuthi
waya ngazi
kumzilikazi stars
all right team yami sure
imzilikazi
FC
ngadlala kumzilikazi FC nganguwe ku division 2 by that time
we coach ngu
coach ngu digital do coach wani ngadlala sibili sathatha i championship division 2 then ngasuka again for into engikhuluma ukuthi uyafika eclubini lenza umsebenzi then sokusiba nama scandal for a team eku community futhi again
yeah
team isidilile you have to move futhi kwenye i-team
so khona kumzilikazi la esiyangena ku division 1 esiya division
1
but leyano emfana omncane ngoba now you're saying he's 20
so you were 16 by then
yeah 17
boys umbonti boys
2017 by that time then ngasuka ngabona ukuthi
since ungasela
lapha songasela team ngaku Ndlovu yanyathela
Clement Beg
ulize lapho le Borento ma
ubongo ngaku Clement they but ngesikhathi sana ngathi ngifika vele kwangaso sikhathi soku register yabo nga train and give up every day ngiye training every day ngagijimisa iphupho uyayenzani every day
yeah
then ngasuka ngaku Life the following year
okay Life to wanumdala
ngafika ngacoachwa nguPhilani Mabhena karesi ku Simba Bora
all right
assistant coach ngadlala from there ngaqala mina ngisuka Clement
Philani Mabhena also bifana
no
Philani
from there ngisadlala lapha ku Clement ngangistrike ngabuya ngathi Life bantshintsha position center back ucoach yena yabe kubona ngenye indlela wena ungaziboni ngayo so lami ngakuvumela ngadlala nga center back ngadlala center back yabona njengomuntu odevelopayo la ehlale ntshela ya developa ezinye izinto training wathanda training with the player I know I'm not that good mina ngiyebhora njabanya yabona amanye amajidi ukuthi uyabona ukuthi yena technical talented gift mina mele ngisebenze
wena mele uzukufundisa
so wena every day mele usithole ngani the training on time 30 minutes vele abanye bayakabuyi mele ubuse ground coach akufundisa hayi kuyenza so into yankhona mele ihlale ngapha ekhanda amele ihlale ekhanda yabona so ngaqala from center back ekhuluma sithi even CDM you can play entshintsha CDM training ambisele center back into yangikhona yazibe ku system yazibe segazini yabuya ukuthi okay ngathi singangena endaweni la mina ngenze so nxa ngibuya center back mina ngenze so ngadlala for 1 year sangena sathatha ileague again D2 iklive
alright
sathi siya ku D1
Soma medal ayi2 nje ka D2 offline
sabe sithi D1 then mabhena ethi go waku Chicken Inn waku assistant coach Chicken Inn nxa kubuye umnyu coach uyazama ukuthi uziprove ngendlela zonke
la ehlibele abanye bakhe
yeah exactly but yena i point of view yakhe akakusoze kubonezeni ezokufitha ku system so I had to move again ngathi Tish Donors i-team endlela kathesi then Tish Donors ikangaqala esendlala khona coach Atmai I don't think uyamazi yet I don't think uyamazi
yeah
then ikuqala lesikudlala uTish Donors
eKhatshba
yeah
right
so yabona every day training yabuzanga ukuthi ufike ku-level yali labantu
eZimbabwe nca ngathiwa uyathenga umbe given an opportunity to uzotrayela liphi team ungayifisa
for me ngitshela iqiniso ngakubhoda Dynamos serious
Ibhosa ayithandi
no I know it's not like angiyithanda ibhoso ngiyayi-admire kahle bonke ngikhabadlaleni ibhoso mina mfuna kuba yi-change ingayikwenye indaba i-rival
alright
always uyakwazi ama players
so kusibhowa nje
no not
hayi phela cause
mele ube i-rival
naye understand but kodwa hawo nje mfuna ukujabula
mele ube i-rival
yena vele yikwaprefer ukuthi
wayidlalela kodwa kuma juniors then that's why sithi kafuna udlala i-first team yayileni
yabona
kule aphathi
mele ube i-rival lapha
manje so alikwazi ukuthi nje ibhoso i-DNA like our blood is it's like that nje
yabona
asizi mina njengamvela ngizikhethela ngisupport ibhoso
yeah
ngiyakwazi ukuthi sivele ngiwe-GP but yabona ukuthi into yangikhona yabe lokhu i-black and white ukuthi andilahlanga kakhulu yabona
yeah i-DNA sungabe ngwebhoss ngiyahamba sibili ngiyebukela ibhoss ngikholise sibili yabona but mina nxa
challenge wena professional
yabona but mina for kimi vele ibhoso sengihamba kuma trials even bengambiza it's okay but for me
ungathiwa choose
isifiso ngathiwa khetha ngangcono ngiye ku rival ibhoso Simba Bora Scotty Dynamos yabona ama team onalawo for me kimi hayi vele ngaba best
rock uyawuyihawuyeni njengoba sebele stadium esitsha ube wasibona ukuthi sinjani sibe hotel ukuthi uhlezi so ukungena ibhora ngawukuthi
ngerumini lapho
siyazi hawu ngasho njalo nje angasibona kwamaqinqini
iskhiyo
Jeki
yeah I'm inspired ukuthi thina si podcast lana engakhethiye engachoosiwe enganikhethiye kanjani siyakwanisa ukuthi lobu division 2 lobu division 1 lokuba ngaphi as long we are bringing a change to the community and so most of the things that we always ask our football players like if we were given an opportunity to change or to change something good football system in Zimbabwe what would you change like
for me nezingaqalisela nga mostly ngibuya from academies siya phezulu
like in terms of
mostly abafana abasakhulayo abaningi if ungakhangela for ukuzuye dlala maybe from premier bayisapha mostly bayisapha
what's the fear like
yabona ama player amaningi bona bafila like ukuthi mele ngizobona ukuthi ngiyakwanisa ukushowcase i-talent mostly ama team scouts ayifule kunanzelela D2 D3 abakula muntu obuyayo
alright
when you have to go for trials uze benjani bekubona
I think ishojinjile you're saying
you have to go for trials bekubona
kudala yebo sikisa interview with at some point you say Clement will cycle from Ekasi to Kasi just to look for kudala ukuya eHighlander ongasikhambeli wawubizwa uthi wena mafana bese siyakhuluma lo mzalo wakho asabe sedla eHighlander
bekubona udlala kwenye
exactly
so now so ukuthi nje ukuthi kare somele wena uyetryela it's good because now you can go and try your luck
yabona
than ukuthi qala bebuhambe ithi damna vele mfuno la izilo time lo liro then the rest of abantu lo le talent elinjani but mina ngikhethe la so angazi like so as we were saying with changing development side of it
very development very mostly amanye ama players asakhula they are not fully developed
okay
ba short that yabona coaching most players vele abancane ba short that coaching uthi ukuze be fully developed kafundiswa nga this that yabona into eziqhakathekileyo ebrain then nxa sesiya kwenye indawo mostly division 1 trials premier trials yafika ngale struggle because awuthi wena lokhu awukwazi how
because nje ucoach wabo lwana yafika athi
ngena exactly
full ground
yena technical ekhanda yabe njani yabe ngakwazi ukuthi lapha nxa nginje mele ngenze so ngime so ngenze yabe ngakwazi
because of system yakade senzakala yebora. I'm loving the techniques, the introductions, the technology that I play a very big much role in terms of the players ngiyabona bengahlala babukela ibhora. So that case kethi ukuthi like from Zimbabwe until lapho ungadlala iDynamos from Zimbabwe sesifaka internationally besides ukuthi support dan ipi team obongani imincane mina ngafika even 30 years ngiyakwanisa ukuya sengingadlala i-team le
like not from years Zimbabwe
Europe international
saba wona
iclub engayibona for mina engani right Netherlands Ajax
alright
yabona from there yabona i-team leyana if la uli player uhlakaniphile you can see ukuthi from there abantu mostly evukhayela ama players ade dlala kubo Ajax Netherlands yabona ukuthi they are scouted vele ngama team amakhulu Manchester United yabona so ngaqalisela compare lawe ufaka ibizo lakho kakhulu obvious vele nqaphuma kuma charts kulondoda lo mana simkhangela vele ama scouts from Manchester
let's hope Ajax labo in Netherlands they are watching this one sile player lene siligcinelelo neZimbabwe yeah definitely mele bakubone so that before we close this podcast for today one last question what can you tell our upcoming youngsters that are watching this podcast with machentsami ngafali playlist yazi what I'm loving about you ukuthi ukaresi ku division 2 and you are still patient to say ukuthi hayi ngizafika isikhathi ngi division 1 endizawo and as young as you are I know isikhathi vele safika yazi isikhathi kwenzakala incenge one match awumjito kanjena ukuthi ilife injalo nge one match ungafika upasa amabhora yi7 ukwazi hayi daily ngizoqedela so mina ngifuna ukutshela ama youngsters ukuthi what's your opinion? What's the that you can say to be a better footballer?
Yabona abafana basakhulayo sengizivala ivindlana training iqathekile training iqathekile not even training kuphela yakwanisa ufike endlini zenza ama extra dinga ibhola lakho njengomfana omncane nankiyana umdulu dlala ibhola lakhe emdulweni ya compare na vele yabunjani yabu improve wena ukwazi ya improve but you improve mbijana so most of the time ungakhangela kwamanye ama team khona abafana sakhula yabona ubhenchiswa ube down ungazi ubhenchiswe mina sembhenchwe kaningi but kusasa kuthiwa training ngoqala ukufika ngiyafika kuqala vele andandaba ngazi umbhenchisi ekhanda efike nje ucoach kulento eshoda la kathi ngiyazibuza nokubhentsha akushoda yimi kwini but even the play ngani ungayisabi kuyabuza coach kanti afana mphambanisa nga uyakutshela ngasithi coach yakuzona uzakutshela
awulekha laba mafana
positioning yalekha lokhu yalekha wena you have to try hard zama ukulungisisa uzama ukulungisisa very kuyadinga ukuthi coach akuncedise yikho kulo coach mina for mina I'm not that good very kakhulu but everyday ngiyambe training ngifuna ukufika kulevel leya ngiyaba patient uzumnyeni sithi afana michiya vele apha kula lutho but kanjani shani ngiyahamba uzantshela khona namuhla kusazozambona ngithwele isikhwama sami samashudas sifuba sami phezulu ikhanda lami ngetraining andandaba uzantshela ukuthi hey bona bonga ndiqaba ngizahambe etraining kusasa ngihamba ngetrain daily ngiyabe improve daily
umxaba belokhe uphela
mana ngikunike example mina makhokho umuntu ekuthiwa ngihlala ngimkhanyela uthi nanga no teenager u-teenager besihlala sothiwa u-teenager teenager this teenager that ungakathesi yabona
inezimathezulu abanye babhilive
yabona
udirector wami wasithi uyahleka umuntu kakwazi but umuntu eqinise kadiframa umhlekela sephansi sekadiframa
mina for mina eZimbabwe idol yami yaka teenager mostly balokumbiza bethi
ikamanero
khadebe yabona ngimi idol yami hayithi njengaye so la ngiyabenzama ukubona ukuthi undoda lo kuze efike
so uthe wasuka from ukuba istriker now you are still a defender
center back so la ngiyabembona ukuthi yena from lapha asuka khona I know kwangekho lula and ngangihlala ngizwivini ibhudu wami esithi teenager wayemthole umphepho ngithole edlalela ngiyo but kade songa yabona
yebo ngani ngamanga
yebo ngani ngamanga but kade songa uyambona usemazweni so mina vele ibhudu wami hlale nje lapho ngani ungagive up already nzima we know but zama every day ungaluziwe training hambe training wathi usamncane 20 sungamanga lusiyakuthi 21 or 22 manga lenzwe abo ngani kasekhe eZimbabwe sesango yes
patience
so wathi patience nale yakunceda and ipatience awubi le patience uhlezi oba le patience usebenza into efunakalayo vele uba le patience usebenza ku right
because of feel like engineer wami lokho engitshela izitayela ngale nyamuzwa uza thanks DJ I would love to have Bongani for the rest of the day because mina ufana weGwanda Pirates uthi asuki lapha siyasutha lapha yithi amajawundi amahle endesiphela khona lapha namhlanje the Lokshin podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe. Hayi abafana benu begasi. Bongs, thanks so much my brother. Isikhathi is right. Let's out.
Thank you.
Sure baba. Native, thanks Mr. Engineer. Awe baba.
Thank you.